Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know where I'm at. We got this nasty 5 sitting right there. Bunch of cars trying to get in. It's June, so you already know what it is. Afterwards, you already know. Damn, weak. Damn, bro, this weak as hell, bro. It's gonna be lit. We turned. Let's get it, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that, man. Let's get it. Say we got this big boy. This is kind of rare for this junk to be sitting over here. We got the big boy Demon on here. We got the big boy Giraffe Radio. Look at the hood. Dad, this is like the top dog right here. This is 150,000. Big, that's a Demon.
It's a Demon?
God damn. Would you get this or the Jeep?
This.
I mean, the Jeep right there though. Right beside it.
Yeah, the Bronco.
You get the Bronco?
I swear. It's a feeling. Right back. Yeah. Right back. Sometimes I think the feel is good. Must be so raw.
The blue nice. Gang. We got a little bit of the vet lane right here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give y'all a little montage. I know I ain't even give y'all montage like that, but I'm gonna give y'all a little.
Raw. Don't still live in the city. But I'm gonna be right back. Girl can't live with you. I'm trying to make me stay. Oh God. These eyes, they make me move too rash. I just get so smooth. Bobby go too fast. I just touched down, I feel like Kaiser. I just touched down, I feel like Kaiser. See us in the city and me zooming right by ya. But I keep spinning out, I need good year tires. Nigga read my lips, yeah I did, yeah I said it. Got too much fucking drip, all the fists, they embedded. If you keep on smoking gas, little nigga.
Gangy. Okay, we talking now. Do it one more time. You gonna do it one more time? It sounds good as hell though. Where they go?
Was that truck?
Yeah, that was a truck. The second one was that truck. The first one was the Ford Mustang.
That truck got a nice ass engine.
Yeah, I know, right? Sound real good.
I was looking at the T-Rex.
Yeah, them bitches.
Them shits.
We having a little rev battle right now. But yeah, the T-Rex is hard, it's fast. Like when I went to the track, when I went to the track a month ago, T-Rex was killing a lot of people. Like they were, drag racing. Cause it's all-wheel drive. Yeah, and that too. And it's all-wheel drive.
Can you get a custom car like that?
What you mean? Like, I don't really like that. I like to feel secure when I'm going 130 miles per hour.
Oh, you would get a slingshot?
Huh?
You would get a slingshot? I'm more of a bike guy myself.
A bike guy?
Yeah.
That's not dangerous, bro.
Yeah, but like, not as dangerous as like, I mean, yeah, it's more dangerous.
What you mean? You not?
It is more dangerous.
Yeah.
But it's like, people in car, I've been hit twice in the car, you know what I mean?
You got hit?
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about in the car? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you mean you actually got hit.
Yeah, so it's
I
like,
feel you.
that's a regular
That
in
shit
the
is
car.
so hard.
That's hard to you?
Yeah.
I just like the guns.
It look corny to me. Gangy.
Oh boy.
Hey, I just like the race shit. I go fast a lot. Big whiz need big locks. Too little to talk to the outside patience. It can get dark in the Ville. Them boys they wrong, that's still understandable. They need the meals. I get big bands on the back end. Two big things, not for fashion. She a cute thing, but got fat friends. Don't play about money, bitch. I get my racks. Young nigga loser, hop in my Uber. Don't need a young hoe, need me.
Oh, they been hard. Oh, I like the seat. Ooh, that's stupid. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. My bad.
You gonna get your goofy ass on my face, man.
Yeah, this is a nice C8. I ain't gonna lie, I caught this C8 right here. I like the wheels. He did smart. He changed the wheels. The interior, crazy. Interior. Hey, this is a nice C8 right here. You got the butterfly doors on this one. This one hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie, butterfly doors are hard. I do that. I do that on the C8. Like that's nice. I ain't even noticed that, bro. I ain't even, cause it looks like it belongs. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, they don't come with this.
That shit looks masculine as fuck.
What you thought this was? What you thought?
I said it was a Ferrari.
No, I thought you said you thought it was a Bugatti.
No, I never said that.
Okay. But nah, it's a Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini.
I ain't never said that.
They just said Bugatti. I was finna say, my boy. Oh, look at the wheels.
Yeah,
that's nasty. Look at the lower too. That's nasty. That's nasty. Oh, we from Florida too. Yeah. She like that attention. She like that attention. Yeah, she's smiling and stuff. Yeah. She was like, I'm in his car. She was like, I'm in his car, yeah. Woo. He got a whole kit on this C8. It's hard. You like the C8?
The what?
The C8, the Corvette right here. You like it?
Straight.
Straight.
You got hips, I don't like it.
Are you turned up?
Caught me going 96 like damn. Little nigga, yeah, your speed is out of hand. With the trout, asked her just to understand. Had to slide, had to show for all the fans. Let me slide, let me slide, let me slide. Ain't no limit when I'm sliding with the guys. When no tenant hit the sport, made it fly. This rolly watch ain't the only thing that glide. That's a 3P. All these lights are 3D.
Lit over there. This is. Oh, look at it. Oh, this bitch hard. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. This be nasty. Ooh. The drop top speedster. Nah, this is $146,000. Would you caught this? Would you caught that? Bro, that's just stupid. Oh, I don't know if I would pay that much.
You don't look that good.
I was saying I don't know if I pay that much, but this is hard. It's hard.
It's wide, but it's really long.
Just for me, I've been looking online about this car and thinking about it, and now I actually see this shit in person. Like this is hard. And then the top, like usually soft tops don't look that good, but they got like a little cover over the soft top in the back. I wouldn't pay that much, but that'd be hard. For real. I gotta do a montage on that.
I swear, this feeling. Right back, yeah, right back. Sometimes I think the fit is good. Must be so wrong. Must be so wrong. Don't so live in the city, but I'ma be right back. Girl can't live with you. I'm tryna make me a stack. Oh God, these eyes, they make me move too rash. I just get so smooth, Bobby go too fast. I just touched down, I feel like Kaiser. I just touched down, I feel like Kaiser. See us in the city and we zooming right by ya, but I keep spinning.
What'd you say this was again? Why is it? What he said this was again?
It looked like oxygen.
It's an oxygen tank.
They said this is an oxygen tank.
All right,
That is an oxygen
let me give my theory.
It's nitrous. Nitrous. It's like a boost. What? What's your
That nigga
theory?
be going so fast, right?
Uh-huh.
He need to strap up so he had to breathe like in an airplane. You know what I mean?
Okay, but no, it's just nitrous. It just helps the car go faster. You ever seen a car when it's sitting still, you hear, you see shit come out the hood? You never seen that? Oh, okay. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
It's nitrous. That's what that is.
So wait, so they just like do they?
No, it works. It works. Like when you actually racing,
Yeah.
you hit a button and it just boost. It helps you boost.
Also, do they overclock their engines?
It can get real technical with that.
Y'all cannot tell me that shit.
It's a truck.
This shit tough, nigga.
It's
I saw
a truck.
this. I saw this at the dealership.
Not like this one better.
Yeah, this shit.
That's hard. It's just like a truck. This one. They got the wheels, the wrap, or the paint, whatever it is.
Black Widow shit sexy.
That shit hard.
They didn't turn this thing on. I get it. They turned it on.
He said I had to double back.
Just to make sure. Go rub it one time. Yes, sir. Got a little pop to it. Okay. It's a little tease. That's a drag car. Like that's one of them cars that'll go like 140 in 9 seconds. Like from jump. See how big the tires are in the back.
But that shit sound like you can't wait to take off too.
That's what I'm saying. Sound like it's for the cut. Big boy Shelby. This is nice. Old school. Woo. Hey, say I just left the car show. Man, y'all know the burnout. Y'all know the spot we burning out. Bro, 12 was everywhere around there, man. It was all over there. I should have showed y'all, but man, cause I was finna do a burnout this time. But then, I had to do a little bit. It was on the bridge. I couldn't hit it for real. Plus, I'm not in sport, and I'm following my boy, so I can't go crazy. But still, man, hey, bro, they some hoes, bro. They done found out the spot, man. Shoot, hopefully I got some good footage for y'all, cause I film a little bit when the cars, you know, sitting down. I mean, not sitting down, but just sit still. But I really, I mean, I was on the bridge, I had to hit it. But yeah, I filmed a little bit. So I had my folks with me a little bit too. And then I was trying to get, you know, the right now. That's what I came for. And then of course the cops there. Man, I was hot, but it's cool though, man. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for the next couple videos, man. I'm dropping. I promise you, I got time. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that, man. Stay blessed. Peace.